As November is starting, I wanted to make something special because this is a special month for me. Yes, guys, you guessed it right. This is my birthday month. So I was thinking what I should do to make it special. Then I realized that for more than 10 to 15 years, I have not done a painting work. Yes, guys, I have been doing decoupage and all those type of paintings, but that real painting I have not done. Hello friends, this is Sheetal Pathak here and welcome to Creatively Made in Home. So I have decided to give myself a challenge to do one painting per day for this whole November. And as I know myself, if I try to do it on a bigger scale, it will be definitely a fail. So I was thinking about an idea. Then I saw my daughter's this alphabets, what you call it, I don't know. But basically she has to put the alphabets in these gaps. This is to develop the kids' motor skills. Now she has grown big, she knows the alphabets and she doesn't need this. She doesn't like to play with this. And I really like the pine wood look of these panels. And these panels are big enough to make good cute paintings and small enough for me to keep going for entire month. As I told you, it is alphabet panels, so I should be having 26 panels. Anyway, I have plans to paint on some other random things in between to keep my interest going. So guys, let's see how it goes. I hope I will be able to complete the challenge, and I wanted to share this with you guys so you guys can be my accountability partner, without which I'm sure that I will not do it for an entire month. So guys, let's see if I can keep my challenge and keep going for an entire month. Let us begin with day 1. Okay friends, I started with making 1 centimeter border all around. Then I put the masking tape so that the edges will be clean, neat. And then I started applying the gesso, white gesso with the sponge dabber. Nowadays I am very attracted with this boho style rainbows, so I took them as my first inspiration to start my first project. In boho style you don't have any restriction and you can play with colors, you can play with forms. So first I started with my basic sketching with the pencil and I drew the rainbow. Then I took my first color as light brown. I mixed burnt ceria, that is a little dark brown, with lemon yellow color and white acrylic colors. And with the 000 brush, I started painting the first layer of rainbow. Then I took my Faber-Castell's orange. I thought of painting a bright sun. Here I used 2 number brush. Then I thought of adding some more sky effect. So with the same orange color and 2 number brush, I started some wavy type effect in this corner. Then again mixed the light brown color that I used for the arch and blended them together. Then again the same color I mixed with little water and painted it around the sun. Then I added more water and blended to the lighter color. Then I used burnt umber color for the outer layer of rainbow. Then I used Faber-Castell's flesh bend and filled the inner arch. And that's all guys. Then I peeled off the masking tape around, and yes, my first day painting is done. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can enjoy all the months my challenge painting work. Thank you so much for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.